Student, next we are talking about types of wavefront. What are the types of wavefront? First type of wavefront is spherical wavefront. Okay. So students, whenever the disturbance is a point source, student, this is a point source disturbance. This. So whenever the disturbance is a point source, the wavefront is spherical in nature. When the source of light is a point source, the wavefront is spherical in nature. So this, according to this wavefront, all the energy is distributed equally. How? Students, the lines which are pointing outside is the energy distributed equally. Okay. So this is a spherical wavefront. Okay. The second one is cylindrical wavefront. Students, if this is a surface of water, okay, and I drop this type of linear object, linear means in a straight line. If I drop this type of object in the surface of water like this, so students, it touches the surface from this point and from this point. Okay, so students, waves will be constructed from the upper end and the lower end. The waves will be only constructed from the upper end and the lower end. None of the wave is constructed from the whole body. Here there will be no waves, nor on the left nor on the right. Okay, so students, if the waves are constructed at this point and this point, it is two waves will be constructed here and here. Okay, so the two waves, I have joined the ends of the two waves. So this is a cylindrical wavefront. Whenever the source of disturbance is linear, this is linear, यहाँ पे linear है disturbance, ये वाला, this is linear source. Okay, so talking about students, third, which is plane wavefront. Okay, so students, whenever the wavefront is plane, the source and the observer are very far away from each other. How? I will give you an example. Student, this is a source and this is observer. Okay, students, with the help of this compass, I have drawn the circles that are the wavefronts. This is the first, second, third, fourth. Now students, it is clear that from this wavefront, when we move towards the observer, the wavefronts are becoming parallel to each other. यहाँ पे wavefronts एक दूसरे के क्या हो गए हैं? Parallel. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि whenever the wavefronts become parallel, they look like plane wavefronts. Students, whenever we visit any beach, the waves from the ocean or sea are coming towards us. तो हमें ये लगता है कि सारी वेव्स हमारी तरफ आ रही हैं. तो दीज आर द वेव्स विच वी आर ऑब्जर्विंग हियर. तो वो हमें प्लेन वेव फ्रंट की तरह शो होंगी. तो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल विच फ्रॉम विच वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट द लाइट फ्रॉम द सन इज कमिंग टू अर्थ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स प्लेन वेव फ्रंट. जितनी भी लाइट हमारी सन से हमारी अर्थ को मिल रही है, इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्लेन वेव फ्रंट्स. ओके.